Today I'm going to talk about flamenco alegrías marcaje, marking steps. Marking step is like a basic stuff in steps in flamenco, and it just puts it into the 12 compass. So you can do it for alegría, serial probability, or whatever that 12 compass the styles. Okay, if you want to check out the flamenco rhythm, if you don't know about it, I've already done other video, so check it out definitely. And it's nice to move a little bit, but I'm gonna concentrate on the footwork today, and the next time I'm gonna do it with coordination with the arm. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. I'm doing a lot of flamenco videos and maybe some exercises that we can do at home. And yeah, let's get started. Step. It's a basic step about in flamenco dancing, and marking step. Eventually, it will be easier. First, when you see, it will be like, what's this? It happened to me. And the good thing about marking step is you can make your own color, because everyone knows about that marking step. It's universal in flamenco, and you can use that when you're listening to the music and when you want to feel calm and respect the musicians and color. So especially when you're improvising, flamenco is important to listen to this cante. So we wait by doing marcaje. Okay? Anyway, I'm gonna do the 12 compass of the marcaje. So today I'm just gonna do it on the footwork. Okay? So it's important to know where to start in the number and where to stop. Okay? So start from 12. So that goes in flamenco word do. Okay? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, front across and back. 6, 7, and front and back. Da din da, dan din da, tiki dan taki da, dum da, di din da, di din da, tiki da, tiki da. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's important to lift your body up. Da di ba, di da, di da. Always up. Ba, da di da, da di da, di da, di da. Ba, da di da, da di da, di. Not like this, okay? Up, da di da. Stomach muscle. Ba, di da, di da. From the left, the side. Da. I'll show you for you to understand where we're coming from. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10. From the back, so you can see. 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Up, 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 up. Tiki da, tiki da. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. siempre dentro de ti. La más sola, nada te merece. Dice siempre dentro de ti, no. Very good. Now I'm going to show you other style of marcaje. There are a few marcaje. Okay, so the option 2 is 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's number 2. Number 3 is 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Walk, 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 walk. Pa, da, di, da, di. Walk, 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 walk. Girar. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Walk, 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 walk. Pa. 2, 1, 2, 3, 5. Pa, da, di, da, di, da, di, da. 2, 1, 2, 3, 5. Da, tiki, da, tiki, da. Okay, so you practice the 3 marcaje that I show you today, and next time we can put the music or we can put choreography onto it, and I can explain to you what you can put there and what is the sentido, is a feeling of it, and what you can, how you can improvise as well. Okay, thank you.